So now you're a proud owner of a hero cycle. Let's go about assembling it. First, take a scissor and cut the packing band and the tapes. Carefully open the flaps. Now let's see what's inside the box. We see a hero bag, a semi-ready cycle and the parts. Take out the fenders and keep them aside. Then keep the bag aside and then the cycle. Now what we have inside are the front back fenders, its clips, the saddle post, the pedals, the screws and the reflectors. Let's start assembling the saddle. First, insert the seat post inside the saddle like this. Then use the given spanner and tighten the screws by twisting it clockwise and vice versa. Then insert the seat post in the seat tube. Tighten it with the spanner and it's ready. Now let's fix the handle. Let's cut the plastic strings. Make sure no paint surface is damaged in process. Take out the handle and let's fix it. Slide the ready handle into the head tube and let it go all the way. Take the Allen key and tighten the screw, rotating it clockwise. Now the front reflectors. Take the given screw, place the reflector like this and tighten the screw from behind. Then take the spanner and tighten the screw firmly. Now the rear reflector. Place the reflector on the carrier, take the given screw and tighten it, and then take the given spanner and tighten it firmly. Now hold the bike like this. Flip it around and place it, ensuring that it's firmly balanced on the handle and the saddle. Then cut the strings using a scissor and take out the handle that's carefully placed behind the crank arm. Note the arrow on the tire. Hold it in the anti-clockwise direction to fix it as the cycle is inverted. Remove the nuts. Pull out the base support and place the front wheel in the same groove. Then take the spacers and place them. Then take the nut and tighten it. Repeat the same process on the other side. Then take the given spanner and tighten both the screws firmly in their place. And your wheel is ready to roll. Take both the pedals. Note L for left and R for right written on them, indicating the side in which they should be placed. Place the pedal as seen and rotate the screw anti-clockwise and tighten it on both sides, and it is ready. Now place the wheel reflectors in the spokes, noting the grooves in them. Push it down till they are firm. Now turn the bike upside down and put it on stands. Pull the left V-brake all the way and tighten the screw once the brake is aligned to the rim. Now on the other side, take the cable, pull the V-brake arms together and place the wire in its groove. Tighten the wire fully with the spanner. Now take the Allen key, align the rear brake shoe to the rim and tighten the shoe firmly in its place on both the sides. Now take the given fender clip, the screws, and place it on the front fork, tightening it all the way using the screwdriver. Take the front fenders and place them in their respective place. Then place the washer, the screw, and tighten them using a common screwdriver. Follow the same steps on both the sides. Then place the rear fender on the seat tube here like this and tighten it with a screwdriver. Keep some space in between and tighten them firmly. Remove the packings and you are ready to ride your hero bike.